From Washington to our southern border, seek help first or go back home. A new immigration rule expected to begin tomorrow. Channel 5's Angelo Vargas in our studio right now, and he tells us what this might mean for asylum seekers.
Well, if you want to enter the U.S. legally, you may have to go to another country first. You can try one of these 140 other countries to do so. The United States is making changes to its immigration policy. The new rule has 58 pages. It highlights a specific message. All asylum seekers must seek help from a third country before making a claim in the United States. UTRGV political science professor William Gordon, who also focuses on law, explains what a third country means.
Well, they don't have to stay in the country that they're fleeing, like El Salvador or some other part of Central America, but they can't stay in the United States while their asylum case is pending. Instead, they're going to have to stay in a third country like Mexico.
The government explains if an asylum seeker does not get help at the first opportunity, it raises questions about the validity and urgency.
It's likely to be legal. I think there might have to be certain changes, maybe allow for more exceptions.
We looked at the exceptions to the rule in the Federal Register.
If they did apply for asylum in Mexico and Mexico denied them, then they could stay in. This whole requirement to stay in Mexico would not apply to them.
Another is if the migrant can prove they are a victim of a severe form of trafficking in persons. Right now, the U.S. government says more than 900,000 cases are pending in immigration courts. Gordon explains there could be legal rulings in place to fight this decision. The rule can be found on the Federal Register. We'll have a link to the asylum changes rules on our website at krgv.com after the newscast. In the Channel 5 News studio, Angelo Vargas, Channel 5 News at 6.